Welcome back, everyone. We are here for another wonderful live. Today we're going to be doing some wonderful Black Friday fashion deals. So I have everything loaded up and ready to go. We got all our fashion stuff on deck. So get ready because here goes nothing. But we are starting off with some basics and we're going to build some outfits together today. It's a little Style With Me Saturday. In case you guys have not been here before, welcome to my page. I'm Alexa. I love sharing all my favorite Amazon fashion finds. And we're gonna get this thing going. So first we're going to add another one of my favorite accessories. These are on sale as well. It comes in a 2-pack, but I love belts right now, so they just are a great little accessory to elevate any outfit. So it comes in the 2-pack. They are skinny. Here's the colors of the black and brown leather, and then they are gold hardware. So I'm thinking for this we're gonna start off with a black belt. My poor little dog is sleeping on my bed right here. She looks like an absolute angel. But okay. We're going to add this little black belt to go with this. And I think everything should be in order for putting on some cute little holiday outfits together. So here goes nothing. But here is this belt on. Such good quality and just like already elevating this outfit so easily. So here's with the belt. And then next up we're going to add a jacket to this. So I actually have this jacket in 2 different colors. It is that good. Let me pull both of them out so you guys can see. So we have the 2 colors. Just look at the quality on these. They're so good. It's almost like that bomber style. They're lined on the inside. They have the cute little cargo pocket. But the material is just so good. Such good quality. I'm thinking we're going to do the gray with this one. So here is with the jacket coming together. Very cute. Here's what it looks like in the back. But like I said, just great quality. This looks so high fashion with this material and it's so comfortable. It is lined on the inside. It's kind of like a silky material on the inside. And then we got it with our long sleeve and the skirt. I'm thinking with this outfit, we're either going to do a high boot or we're going to do a low booty. So I'm going to try on both and I'll try to be like one shoe queen here. I don't know where to put this bad boy. Let's see. Like here. I think that works. The long one, we're thinking the tall boots. I think so too. I feel like the skirt and then like the tall boots are really in right now. So let's just see. Here's what they look like up close. I'm loving the little like wooden chunky heel and then they are pointed toe, which is also like super trendy right now, I guess. But I feel like the tall boots, I think you're right, Judy, will look better with this. Okay, let's see. What do we think? Here's with the boot. So cute. I guess I'll do the other one with the low and we can decide, but I'm thinking the tall boot is probably the winner here. I feel like this is more casual and this is if we want to like dress it up and go to Thanksgiving or out to dinner with the family, something like that. Here's the low one and then with the tall boots. Again, here's that cute little like wooden heel. But such a cute and easy little elevated outfit. I'm obsessed with this skirt. They both look good. Thank you so much. I'm thinking, I feel like the tall boots are more my vibe with the outfit. So let's just see with both, just for fun. I don't my calves, but these are like absolutely perfect. A nice little slouchy fit. And such a cute little outfit. Actually, let me highlight the boots for you since I forgot that. But here are these boots, also on sale. I think they're like really, really cheap, like way cheaper than when I paid for them. So I'm a little jealous, but great quality. And then let me just show you guys again. The little booties are also huge sale right now. I love these with the little like sock style top almost. See, I'm gonna add a bag to this as well. If you guys follow me on my storefront or whatever, I feel like I use this bag with probably every single outfit. It's just such a good basic little shoulder bag. It's by the brand Petite Simone. And here's it up close. It does have, let's see if I can do this without spilling because I actually have stuff in here. I use this all the time. But it has like a just regular pocket and then a zipper pocket and then it's pretty deep so it holds a lot of stuff and then has the cute little gold charm. So we're just gonna add the bag here and it's just giving like a perfect little fall fashion holiday fit. Very trendy, very cute. And everything is so affordable. But it's giving like designer, you know? It's giving way more expensive and elevated. And everything is from Amazon. plaid jacket is. It's definitely like a good quality jacket. It's super thick material, very heavy. I'm thinking I honestly might wear this for Thanksgiving this year myself. So we're gonna add this jacket with the outfit, and then we'll see if we need to change the boots. I feel like the high boots are probably gonna look good with this as well. But here is this adorable little flannel jacket. Anyone can get, you know, good prices on all of this stuff because so cute for the holidays. I'll add that bag back in. But I'll probably do, like, I think I only put a couple bags in here. Down goes the boot. Moving on. Next up, we have, let's see here. Okay, next up we're going to do a sweater. For the sake of time, I'll just pop. And of course, on sale, this is again a size small, but I just love these little color block details we have along the top, the sleeves, and then the band on the bottom. So I'm thinking we're gonna have to do a little tuck situation here, but we're gonna keep the belt. I think it looks really the low boots. So I feel like this would be really cute too for Christmas, Thanksgiving. I am gonna tuck this in the back as well, just because it has like the slits on the side. But here is, I think, our pretty much final look. We'll add that cute little black bag with this as well. And I have all my gold accessories on. They're tagged in the accessories and shoes list on my storefront. I don't know if I put these in this time. But here is this sweater, fully styled. Still have on the belt and the skirt. And then here is the full fit. I'll give you with the boot. Boots are also on sale, so is this bag. But super, super cute, honestly. I feel like it's really easy to just style this skirt with so many different options for the tops. But one more close up. Very Mary-Kate and Ashley. Yes! It's giving like New York Minute, right? Super cute. Just really, really comfy and so warm. But here is our next one. I already have it clicked. Another one by Zigu. This is one of my favorite brands on here. Everything is just great quality, so trendy. They definitely stay up to date on all of the trendy fashion that's in. And I'm here for it. Okay, so next up, here is this cute little button down. I'm thinking we're going to change the belt for this, and we're going to do the brown one now. Like I said, they come in the 2-pack. So again, here's that black one, and we're just going to swap so it all matches, and we're going to do the brown. But we're going to keep, again, that same basic top. Cinder. Oh my gosh, I love it. Over through there. Okay. So then we're going to do with this brown belt. I swear, these are just like the perfect accessory to add like one more thing to an outfit. I keep seeing the new fashion thing is like the 7-point outfits. I'm like, I don't know if I do the full 7 every time, but there is just one more cute little piece to this. So then here is with this, and then we're going to switch the shoes in the bag. I'm going to show you, these are my all-time favorite boots. Like ever on Amazon. They have all different colors. This is like a cute little like taupey color. I'm not sure honestly if they're on sale or not, but I had to wear them because 15 seconds. Here we go. Okay, that's it. Thank you. I'm happy you appreciate the clip check because I'm trying to get better. But I guess this is like our final look with this outfit. This really cute corduroy button down with like the flannel details on the seams. And I think we can definitely keep these boots, or I'll even try on another pair of my favorites. Because I'm thinking we're going to try with these. They're a little bit darker, but we still have like all the browns and the neutrals going on to make for a perfect little fall fit. So obsessed is an understatement. This is so cute. It's from the back. So again, smalls in literally everything. But I just can't get over the details on this little flannel. The buttons are gorgeous. I know, right? This has to be my Thanksgiving outfit. It's like not even a question. Perfect. And I had no idea what I was gonna wear, so now I feel so much better about it. And then I can also add our little, I'm thinking this brown bag to complete the look. And we have a perfect little Thanksgiving Day outfit. That was just so cute and trendy. And I'm gonna do this cute little puffer vest. Also on sale, great price for this one. So many colors. Oh wow, look at this with the belt. Ooh. We're giving the last outfit a run for her money. Okay. Obsessed. I wear this vest legit all the time. I'm in my browns and neutrals and chocolate teddy bear phase right now. This is so flipping adorable and so comfy. So, quick look of the vest. Such good quality. It's like the puffer material. I'm obsessed with this like orangey brown color, and it matches this belt that I have on perfectly. Again, both are on sale. Here's the back. Honestly, just such good fit and quality for the vest. I have so many puffer vests. A lot of them are like a weird crop, but this is the perfect length. So warm, so it's actually practical, and just an easy little holiday outfit. You could definitely do this with regular jeans, leggings, whatever your heart desires, but super impressed with this quality. Very comfy. I think this is the next one I have. So again, by the brand Zigu. So cute for the fall. I feel like this is going to be so perfect with what I already have on. So cute and so comfy. This is giving like full designer material and look. I'm a mess right now, but it's fine. Let me just add this bag and I'll do a little clip check so that I can make this into a quick video as well. But I am obsessed with this sweater. It is so cute, and again, the material is just such good quality. It's like really thick. You have the little balloon sleeve, the mock neck. It's just giving designer, but for a fraction of the price. All right, here I go. Zipping my lips for a clip check. To just tie everything together. And I feel like this would be another great option for Thanksgiving. I do have a Friendsgiving too this week, so I might have to use a couple of these outfits because they're all just coming out so cute. I'm happy that I did today with the skirt too. I normally just do jeans, but we're still witching it up a little bit. And the skirt is just making a perfect base for all of these tops. Okay, let me do with the other shoe, and we're gonna do a quick little clip check. And then we'll keep it trucking, because your girl is getting pretty hungry here. Okay. So here is our clip check. Give me 30 seconds. We're ready to go. Okay, that's it. But seriously guys, like if there's one thing you get today, I would recommend this sweater, probably in the top 3. So so comfy, so cute, and just so easy to like make any outfit look elevated. I feel like perfect with some jeans or a skirt like you see on me. With this set, it is like the best quality ever. Ribbed knit, gorgeous color. You have the slits on the side, cap sleeves. I do have like the long sleeve under, so you can kind of see it in a couple spots, but here is the waistband. And then I have this on with those Dream Paris slippers, the platform slippers. But this is a little bit of like a thinner sweater knit. Such good quality, so comfortable. This is like a dreamy like cloud knit material. The top is like a little bit like the Batwing oversized. And then the sleeves come in. So, so, so cute, so soft. And the pattern is just adorable. They have tons of different colors. I think there's like even some Christmas patterns. But so the shorts have pockets and then a drawstring. I'm wearing the size small in this set. I am like 5'1", so it's a good length. They're not too short. Here's the back. But overall, just like the best thing I think I've ever gotten from Amazon. #1 pick of all of my fits. Super comfy with the silk material. These are just like so dreamy for bedtime. But here is one more little look, and then I'll do a little clip check. Okay, so here's what this one looks like. This is so comfortable, so cute, tons of color options. I am wearing a size small, super stretchy, and overall just a great option. Okay, and here she is. So this is the silk long sleeve option, this gorgeous little like burnt orangey brown color. I'm wearing this small. It's obviously like a little bit long, but the pants actually do have pockets on here. Super stretchy. This is just like a buttery soft silk material. I was doing the nail for you, Judy. Don't worry. I'm probably gonna be done in the next like 5 minutes. And if you want to watch it back, you can see I did do the nail. I did one knee up, one knee down, and then on both knees. So you should be good with checking it out in a couple minutes when this is all done and posted. But here is this adorable silk long sleeve set. I feel like this is perfect for similar situation like bridesmaids, matching holiday family pictures. There's so many different colors. I feel like if you did this in like green or red for the family, this would look so cute for pictures. And they just look so high quality with the silk material. Great, great quality, super comfortable. Again, I'm wearing a size small. I did just do a little tuck. And then they have the pockets. Clip check and yes, you know exactly. The one shoe on, one shoe off Cinderella Queen, and all for the clip checks. Okay, so final look here, and I think this is our last one, guys, believe it or not. Time flies when you're having fun. But this whole live will be posted when I finish this on my page if you want to go back to anything. I'll also work on editing this and adding it to my YouTube for later today. Guys, we got tons and tons of deals on deck for the week, so stay tuned. And yes, one shoe is signing off, so thank you so much. Thanks for hanging out. We're gonna try to be a little bit more active on here this week, going through some Black Friday deals. So thanks so much for tuning in. I love you guys. I love doing this. So bye.